three key signatures in musical scales. One of these is the major scale. So, what is major scale? So, major scales here are the fundamental concept in music theory and are widely used in various genres of music. So, a major scale is a specific pattern of whole and half step that creates a distinct sound and mood. The major scales follows a specific pattern of intervals between its notes. The pattern for a major scale as is follows: the whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, lastly is half step. This pattern is the same for every major scale.
If we have major scales, there are also minor scales. So now, let's proceed the minor scales. The minor scales is also a diatonic scales with 7 notes, but it has a different pattern of whole and half step compared to one major scale. So, there are 3 types of minor scales. The first one is a natural minor, and the second one is a harmonic minor, and the last one is melodic minor. So, the natural minor scale has the pattern whole, half, whole, half. So, minor scales generally evoke a more somber, melancholic, or introspective mode compared to major scales.
So now, let's proceed to the relative minor scales. So relative minor scales is a set of scales that are closely related to major scales. Each major scales has a corresponding relative minor scales which shares the same case signature. To find the relative minor scales of a major scale, you can start on the 6th note of the major scale and then play the same set of notes. For example, the relative minor scale of C major is A minor. Both scales have the same case signature, no flats or sharp, but they start on different notes. The relative minor scales are named after their corresponding major scales. For example, the relative minor scale of G major is E minor, and the relative minor scale of F major is D minor. Relative minor scales have different sound and mood compared to their corresponding major scales. They often have a more melancholic or introspective feel. They are commonly used in various genres of music including jazz and pop.